begin on a work list. After the work list is taken, each station of the work list will be given 3 attempts to complete 2 good calls. Also, if you hear a state would be your 48th, 49th, or 50th state for the basic order or any of the...
Man, this guy has been prattling on and rifling through the rules for the last 5 minutes. You may know what net that is, but I'm not going to say. Man, these guys take themselves damn seriously, man. If you want a worked all state certificate from these fellas, man, you gotta jump through some hoops. You know, especially if you use EQSL, apparently. Man, I have to laugh, man. And what's even worse are the nets where it seems utterly important to net control and the participants to, as a signal report, when things get mucky and they have a hard time, when push comes to shove, they start rifling off their line number in NetLogger. Man, please don't tell me that they're quickly entering the other dude's report in NetLogger and screaming, line 22, rifle shot, 22, 20. You know? And is that his signal report? Line 37 from November 8, November, Kilo.